Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay?
Nay!
The nays have it.
The third impeachment motion against Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza will be heard by the Senate in plenary. This is after senators rejected a motion to form a committee to hear the charges against her, saying the matter is too weighty to be left in the hands of a committee.
There was a similar motion brought in the National Assembly to impeach a cabinet secretary. And the mood of the House in the National Assembly at that time was that the cabinet secretary must go. Then a select committee was chosen. And Mr. Speaker, they came back and said the minister should stay.
The Senate is on recess, and I know that people had committed to do other things. It is not fair to drag the entire Senate to sit here just to listen to these allegations. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, many of the people who are shouting plenary here, we have been with them through these processes before. You will be sitting there, and there will be 3 people in this chamber.
Committees sometimes in the nature, Mr. Speaker, can sometimes escape the attention of the public, Mr. Speaker.
I want to make a request that as we discuss, that we pay attention to the fact that nominated members are also capable of contributing to this debate, even if they are not going to vote. So I would suggest that we manage the time in such a way that even nominated senators are given ample time to contribute to this debate.
Kenyans are looking at the Senate now, and we want to participate fully.
The Senate, which was in recess, held a special sitting today to hear the charges against Mwangaza, which include gross violation of the Constitution, gross misconduct, and abuse of office. Vihiga Senator Godfrey Osotsi raised the question of suspending the county government of Meru, this coming in the backdrop of 9 registered voters of Meru County who have already petitioned President William Ruto to dissolve the county government under Article 192 of the Constitution and appoint an interim management board, citing irreconcilable differences between Mwangaza and members of the county assembly. Fresh elections would be conducted after the suspension period.
There may be instances where we need to look at the provisions of Article 192 of the Constitution. Whether to suspend this county and we send everyone home or not.
Meru is working. Some parts of Meru are not working, Mr. Speaker. We don't have a functional IEBC at the moment, Mr. Speaker.
Panya akiingia kwa gala, uchomi gala unatoa panya. Kwa hivyo, Mstahiki Speaker, mimi naunga mkono tuvalie njuga swala hili mpaka mwisho.
49 members of the Meru County Assembly voted to impeach her on Thursday last week. 17 members voted against the motion, while 3 abstained. Following the rejection of the motion, senators will now reconvene on Monday and Tuesday next week to investigate the charges in plenary. Muriel Adhiambo, K24 TV, Nairobi.